Today we will learn how to solve an equation. So let's take x plus 7 is equal to 9. Now this is plus 7, this is my equality sign, this is my left hand side, this is my right hand side. So my variable is on left hand side. To find the value of x, it should be all alone. So we have to remove plus 7. So this plus 7, when it goes on the right hand side, it becomes minus 7. So whatever value of variable we have to find, it should be on one side. It can be on left hand side, it can be on right hand side, and nothing should be there with it. So we are removing plus 7. When it goes to the other side, it becomes minus 7. And what is 9 minus 7? This is 2. So you are solving for x. Question will be find the value of x or solve for x. This variable can be any small letter. It can be any small letter. So let's understand why we have done this. So I am repeating this only. If this was x plus 7 equals to 9. Just now I told you, if you are finding value of x, it should be all alone on whatever side it is. This is on left hand side, so I have to remove plus 7. So how plus 7 can be removed? By subtracting 7. Plus 7 minus 7 gives me 0. So x will be all alone. So what I do on the left hand side needs to be done on right hand side. So I get the value of x to be 2. This goes away, and see, I showed you here also, and this is the reason why we say plus 7 goes there and becomes minus 7. And this is reasoning to understand why we have learned this. So let's take an example with a negative sign now. So we are solve for x, or find, or they can say find value of x. This x can be a, b, c, d, any small letter can be taken as the variable. So if I have x minus 5 is equal to 7. Now this is left hand side, minus 5 goes there, becomes plus 5. So x will be 7. This I have copied as it is. Minus 5 goes on the right hand side, becomes plus 5. So this becomes 12. So value of x will be 12. Now let's understand the logic why we have done this. Now I am copying this again. This was x minus 5 and this was 7. So to find the value of x, I want x to be all alone on whatever side it is. It is on left hand side. So I want x here. I want to remove minus 5. How minus 5 can be removed? By adding 5 to it. Because plus 5 and minus 5 gives me 0. So this becomes, whatever I am doing on left hand side needs to be done on right hand side also. So this is 7 plus 5 and it becomes 12. So x is equal to 12. So this is the reasoning why we say minus 5 goes there, becomes plus 5 on other side of equality. Now in case I have 2a plus 7 is equal to 5. So first, this is 2a means there is a multiplication sign in between. This is 2 multiplied with a and then plus 7. So first what you remove? You remove plus 7 and then plus and minus to be removed first from the side and then multiplication and division. So let's copy 2a as it is. So first I am removing plus 7. So 5 plus 7 goes there, becomes minus 7. So we have done integers, one positive, one negative, subtraction needs to be done. So 7 minus 5 gives me 2. And out of 5 and 7, bigger is 7. So answer will get sign of the bigger number, that is minus 2. Now after removal of this plus, we can remove the multiplication. So I have a here, minus 2 on the right hand side. This 2 is multiplying here. It will go and divide on the other side. 2 divided by 2 gives me 1 and there is a minus sign. So a value will be minus 1. Let's take another example with a division and a negative sign. So I am taking y as the variable. Find the value of y. So if I take y upon 2 plus 4 and this is 8. Now, or I can take minus 4. We have already taken 4 plus sign. So first you have to remember plus or minus to be removed. Previous question plus was there. Now here minus is there. So first we have to remove minus 4. So we copy y by 2 as it is. 8 is on the right side as it is. Minus 4 goes on the other side of equality, becomes plus 4. So this becomes 12. Now after removal of plus and minus term, we have to look into multiplication and division. Here 2 is dividing it. So now 2 goes and multiplies on the other side. So y will be 12 into 2, that is 24. So keep in mind, first you have to remove plus minus term. Then you have to look into it. If there is division or multiplication, that term has to be removed. Whatever variable is given to you, if you are finding the value of that variable, it should be all known on either side. It can be on left hand side, it can be on right hand side.